Hello mga loves! Meron ba kayong alam na ibang recipe para sa inyong mga beef? Well, halika samahan niyo ako at papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko lulutuin itong ating beef stir fry in Japanese curry mix. Of course, tatawagin natin itong alagina because kakaiba ito sa usual na beef stir fry na alam ninyong gawin. Yeah. So, meron tayong 2 slices of beef steak na blanch muna natin siya and then we cut it into strips. And now we are preparing our vegetables na isasama natin dun sa ating beef stir fry. Yan. So, tinatawag ko ang aking recipe na alagina dahil meron tayong kakaibang twist or kakaibang style para sa pagluluto ng ating mga dishes. So, in a heated pan, yan, naglagay tayo ng 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and then we're going to start sauteing our garlic and our onion. We're gonna let it caramelize first, the onions, and then we're going to add up our leeks. So, why I'm putting leeks on this recipe? Because leek gives a special taste, or leek has a distinctive taste and aroma. Gustong-gusto ko ang lasa ng leeks, especially sa soup. Kahit anong klase ng soup, whether it's a beef, chicken, or pork, or fish, masarap siyang ihalo sa soup. Yan. So, ginigisa na natin yung ating beef together with the onion, leeks, garlic, and tomato. We simmer it for a few minutes, and then now we're going to add all this seasoning. Yan, may black pepper siya, and then ilagay na natin yung ating Japanese curry mix and the Knorr cubes. By the way, hindi po natin yan nilagyan ng salt at saka ng toyo, kasi yung Japanese curry mix is flavorful na siya, and nilagyan pa natin siya ng Knorr cube. So, there's no need. So, ito, nilalagay na natin yung ating vegetables. And then, we're going to cover the pan and simmer it for a few minutes, like 2 minutes. And then, we're going to add up the remaining vegetables, which is the bok choy. Pinanghuli natin yung bok choy kasi nga madali lang naman siyang lutuin. And cover it again, simmer for another 2 minutes. And saka natin siya hahaluin. And this time, luto na po yung ating mga gulay. So, that is my version of my beef stir fry in Japanese curry mix. Again, thank you for watching my video. And I hope to see you again next time. Bye!